Hey everyone, and welcome to Trades of the Day. Hope your week was most magnificently magical. Let's go review some of our trades and chat markets. So today is option expiration Friday. The broader markets just chilling for the most part. Pretty non-eventful day, realistically. Just a very small doji. Only took some swing trades that you guys are in, so we'll got one option expiring worthless on Apple. This is a covered call. It's a 190 covered call. So Apple right now is at 186.72. Pretty much not doing all that much. But yeah, big deal that this covered call is expiring worthless. And I'm probably going to do a June or July 205 on Apple. So we'll see how that transpires. That'll probably be sometime next week. But anyway. All right, let's review some of these swing trade setups. And just scrolling down here, EXAS. So had a little bit of a move higher at one point during the day. Here's the daily chart, and I mean, kind of like the candle, good bounce off the moving averages. So I think next week we'll increase the stop. And again, just kind of hope that this one breaks out, but we probably will exit out of this one before June and just lock in a little bit of that gain on that one. AAOI also just slowly chilling. Inside day candle today. The weekly, since today is Friday, the weekly candles will be closing soon. I kind of dig the weekly candle. It's an inside week. 10 EMA kind of slowly crossing, so we'll see if that one gets to eventually break out higher. Philip Morris, ticker symbol PM. Here's the daily chart on Philip Morris, and pretty much a non-event day on Philip Morris, at least at the moment. 81.01 on the daily. So we'll probably get stopped out of this one pretty soon, but right now, hoping that that bad boy bounces. Next on the list is ACAD, and ACAD on the daily charts at 18.15, pretty much break even. Just watching that to hopefully not break down too much, seeing if this one can bounce bullish. VRX, so we've been looking at and keep an eye on VRX for a bit, and it's still moving higher. So we'll leave it open. We might end up leaving this one open all month because I really like the rotation if we get one. So we'll leave VRX open for a while. BMY, which is Bristol Myers, had a really good move yesterday and pretty much a non-event today. So most of the market was really relatively sleepy. Here's WEED, W-E-E-D on the TSX. And, well, it's popping up strong. So really good move. 33.50 is the entry. Good volume coming in. Feels good to be in that one. Next on the list is MDGL. So MDGL. And this is the daily chart that we're pulling up, and it's an inside day candle. Nice high wave candle. Yeah, that one's just kind of doing its thing. And then WDC, we canceled it. Here's Sears, ticker symbol SHLD. And this one did fill on the retest. So again, we'll see if Sears actually bounces. It's probably won't, but just in case, this one can get a short squeeze obviously pretty quickly, and the risk reward is quite nice. So sometimes you gotta risk some money to make some money. Move this one down, and that's gonna be 364 where we got triggered into that. So the other two trades I'm gonna keep my eyes on for us together is Yext, YEXT. So this one on the verge of breaking out. So you have a nice series of white candles. So what I'm going to do on this one is set up an entry right there for a stop, and then the limit's going to be a little bit lower. So stop is going to be 15.34, so that's going to be the triggering price, and the limit will be kind of the top of these candles, so 15.11. 15.11, and then the stop loss on this newer stock is going to be here at 14. Let's make it 14.11. So that way it's just a nice, 14.11, come down here, so it's $1 risk. And there we go, I'll let that update. TradingView is going a little bit on the slower side right now, but when that updates, I'll take an image of it. Nope, doesn't want to update. Okay, try that again. 14.11, and perfect. So there we go. So really pretty much what I want that to do is breakout, and then, breakout, retest, something like this, and this is kind of what I'm hoping it does. So we'll throw that on here, Yext, and then we're going to have another, newer IPO as well. 2018 YEXT 1511 by 1411. That would be shares, and that's a good setup based on a retest gap, and it's open because it's not triggered yet, and we can throw that in there as a swing trade. And then BILI, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. BILI, Billy, is a new internet streaming service, and I really do like this pullback, so this is going to be a setup for that one. 1234 by 1083. So we'll see if that pullback gets filled at some point. Just a nice little buy the dip type of setup. So 1234 with a stop at 1083. That would also be shares. Let me bring this formula down. There we go. I think it's a good setup based on a retest gap, and it's open because it has not triggered yet. So throw that right in there. All right, team from around the world, very nice stuff. I love it. So we'll see what we end up doing or how we end up continuing on this one. But have a good weekend, everyone. Enjoy, have fun, spend time with your friends and family, and I'll see you all on Monday. All right, until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.